So it is Sunday, and we just got finished doing a little bit of RA, and Pam actually picked some stuff up for the wedding, didn't she?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's my wedding dress.
Your wedding dress?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to go Adam Eve themed. Well,
So-
part of it's your tux, I guess.
We just got back to our house here. We actually are watching over Pam's brother's house for the weekend. They have a bunch of pets. They have 3 dogs and 3 cats. And we were up there yesterday, and then we're gonna go back up there and finish that, but we had to stop by our house here real quick. Bring our load of loot, and also, what else do we have to do? That's about it. Just bring in some of the stuff we bought for eBay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to Concord, which is where Pam's brother's house is. It's near there. It's not in Concord, but it's near that area. And that's like an hour away from here. And so we're gonna actually go and do a little bit of sourcing over there. We'll probably do a little more RA like we did today. And then, I don't know, see if we can find some thrifts, or maybe even a yard sale. It is Sunday. It's Sunday afternoon though, so they'll probably be all over with. But yeah, it's been kind of a weird weekend. It's gonna be a weird week too, because they're gone until when are they back from vacation?
Next Saturday, but
Next
I
Saturday?
only have to be there till Wednesday morning.
Okay, yeah. So I'll be in and out of our house this week because, you know, we're gonna have to be shipping some orders and stuff. But I've been listing a lot. Yesterday, we were here early in the morning and I photoed a ton of stuff. And then last night, I photoed a ton of stuff and then I put them in draft on eBay. And then last night, I just listed a bunch of stuff. I listed some more this morning. I still have a lot of drafts that are up on our account that are not listed yet. But I don't think I'm gonna do any more photoing today because we just really don't have time. But we are gonna do a little more sourcing. We are on the way back up to Pam's brother's house.
Ooh,
Pam's driving my truck now. Look at that.
I'm a big girl.
I actually just went and did some retail arbitrage sourcing again to continue today's kind of theme of doing that. I picked up a pair of shoes, a pair of golf shoes, and I also picked up 4 or 5 t-shirts. So that was cool.
And now we are going to be going to a Goodwill that's here locally, and then we are done. I'm so tired. I feel like it's 9 or 10 o'clock at night.
Long day.
It's only 4:30.
Long day.
That's good. It makes our weekend seem really long. It's almost like the weekday is more relaxing for me. Oh no, look at what happened to my white pants.
Where am I going?
I gotta shove this thing away.
Alright, so we just got to a Goodwill here. This Goodwill we've never been to before because we're in a different area. We're not usually up this way sourcing, so should be fun.
This one looks little.
A little bit ghetto? Yeah, it does.
No, I meant like really little.
Oh, little? Oh. I thought you were gonna say ghetto. It looks pretty ghetto.
No, it looks little.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see if they got anything good. I don't know. We haven't been thrifting in a while, so this will be fun.
Let's go.
Let's go.
There's a pair of little kid shoes on the trash. What the heck? Like it can't make it in? Nobody want them? Or is that like a bonus donation?
I don't know.
Right here.
The heck?
That's called Einstein.
I wonder if they have any video games.
Red tag. Other than video games, I think that video games today is like double price, so you shouldn't even look at them.
Oh, okay.
But red tags are $1 and yellow tags are half.
Okay.
Find anything so good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like we did at the house.
Here we go.
What used?
Yep.
Because the mirror doesn't have a frame. You have to
25
put the mirrors
bucks.
up.
30 bucks. There's a bunch of them listed.
I just had to go to the
There's
highway.
12 listed.
Yeah, and I have to measure.
And there's 6 sold. Things like that. 5 bucks. Grab that. Pretty cool.
Does the timer work?
I don't know. Test it.
Ooh, yeah.
Doesn't work.
It's not doing anything.
See, I moved. I waited.
Oh man. Let's see.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it would be a great customer to pick up. You're right. What is it? Chinese Super Bowl?
Timer works on that one. Yeah, so we're gonna leave that because the timer doesn't work. Yeah.
That's why it's cool.
Right.
Bolo for anybody else.
What's that?
I have no idea. I don't even know how to open it. It's empty thing. Who's Bessie?
What do you think? Ooh, family Bible cards?
Yeah. And I probably need those.
English vocabulary. Does it have a code on it?
I was trying to see.
It's $4. There's no barcode. I can search it, I guess. I don't know. $69 results. 20 sold. 20 bucks. That was today. Sold for 20.
You think they're all in there then?
I mean, I don't know. It's not no fast mover, that's for sure.
Look, there's tickets.
Tickets.
Everybody wants tickets.
Just bring them to the carnival and then cash in. Be like, yeah,
I won the
I got all these. Oh man.
What about that nice guy?
Man. Boy. What's this? Guys, look at this. It's a vintage Sansui speaker. looked up the model. It says S37. And there's no comps. But other ones are going for hundreds of dollars by the same manufacturer, Sansui. Sansui's a big brand to look out for. So, I don't know, should I buy it or should I leave it? They want $5 for it. I think I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna get it back.
Do you think it would fit in this?
I don't know. Maybe?
It says medium, and then
Probably.
it says that stuff.
Probably.
But look, lab is lower, but then she's really like a pit lab mix, so
Yeah.
I don't know what size she is. She's 70 pounds. I don't know her girth. I'm gonna talk to that girl about her girth.
So, I don't know, I'm contemplating. It's big and bulky, a real pain in the butt, but if it's a couple $100, or at least $100, should I pass it up? I don't know. I'd have to test it. Should I get it, bae?
Get what?
This.
Does it work?
I don't know. We'd have to test it.
What are you gonna do if it doesn't work?
Throw it away.
Does it even have wires?
No.
I think you just answered your own question. You'd have to get wires to hook it up to test it to see if it even worked.
Okay, I'll leave it.
Are there wires underneath it or something?
No, there's no wires.
Where's the other one? Does the other one have wires?
No, there's just this one. It's just this. I don't know. It's a tough choice. What should I do? I'll leave it. You ready? I think we're spent.
Just trying to figure out if that will work for Kim. But you're right. If I don't know, I'm gonna be like a
Just
speaker
leave it.
and leave it.
Just leave it.
Because Kimmy girl is baby girl.
Oh boy, I think it's time to get out of here.
But there's so many good finds.
I know. Ooh, more speakers.
Oh, there you go. Maybe one of them has that.
Are these No, these are Sony. These are big
They have
Sony
wires.
ones. Yeah, but I didn't ship in that thing. Can do a local deal, but
FedEx.
that'd probably be
Isn't that the answer?
FedEx.
FedEx.
Well, that was terrible.
It was almost like watching The Notebook.
Oh,
No,
man.
never mind. It wasn't that bad. Silly.
It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that. Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, well, we tried.
We did try.
This Goodwill is terrible. Terrible. I could tell just like the minute we walked in, I was just like, this is not gonna be
The moment we drove in,
not gonna be good. Yeah. But gave it a shot. Is what it is.
But you know what? We had an awesome day yesterday.
We did. We had an awesome day yesterday, so
We got
can't
plenty
complain.
of RA.
Can't complain. We did some other sourcing today, so it wasn't a total bust. It's just as far as thrifting goes, it was a
wasn't our
bust.
week.
It was
And
a
you know
bust.
what? Honestly, it is a little late in the weekend to be doing thrifting because it is a Sunday afternoon.
Right. Sunday night. It's 5 o'clock.
Evening.
Yeah. So. Oh well. It is what it is. You can't win every time, right?
I mean, we want to.
We'd want
Like,
to,
that
you
kid
can't,
was
though.
Crying in there.
So. Oh well. Well, thank you so much for watching. I just ran over a giant curb.
That was a curb. It wasn't like a person or anything.
I hope you enjoyed this little fun video. Sorry we couldn't show you anything.
At least
Cool.
we showed you things not to get.
Yeah. Let me know though, by the way, on that speaker. I don't know. Should I have grabbed that or did I do the right thing leaving it? I'm curious.
I
don't
feel
know.
like you did a right thing by your future wife.
Okay.
Because of that sat around all day.
Yeah.
And there was like a pole on it, like an animal scratched it, and there was all the
Yeah.
animal hair.
Yeah, it was rough. Whatever. I just know Sansui's a great brand for vintage
I wonder
electronics,
what the
but
other one was,
it
'cause
is what it
usually
is.
You just don't get one.
Yeah. There's only that one there. It's weird. But yeah, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you in the next one.
Hope you guys are having an awesome week.
Bye.